Time to open up the PS5. Oh yeah. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm about to put everything, but we about to find out. Oh shit. This one is huge. Oh, snizzles. I'm waiting for my gaming chair to come. Ah. Whew. Oh yeah. Sort this out the way. I think the first game I'm playing is Call of Duty, to be real. To be 100, probably the first game I'm playing. First PC game I'm playing is probably going to be Crusader Kings. Like, it can't be any other way. You know what I mean? That's one of my favorite PC games, and it takes up a lot of data space, so. Fight. I've been wanting a PS5 for a minute, and now, you know, I was working on other stuff, trying to grow with stuff on the business, so I didn't want to buy this yet. But now, hey, doing a little bit better, so, you know, got some other stuff set up. Now I can go spend money and invest and expand and make other type of content for y'all guys. I got other stuff coming, by the way. I got artwork. I got so much stuff I'm working on. Can't talk about it all. You'll see it. I'm actually gonna work on that tonight. I'm doing some more design stuff. Okay, cords. This must be the stand. I heard people were talking about this. That you had to pay for this to get one of these. Yeah. So I'm gonna set that there. I always like these. And I like reusing these to ship stuff. So I like to make a pile for all the like packages and stuff. Just throw them to the side, and I reuse it. Oh, got that controller. Woo-hoo. Just got a crisp white one. I might get a different color later on, but oh yeah. All right, so got that. All right, and then the PS5. Oh man. Oh my goodness. PS5. All right. I was too excited. I couldn't even say anything. So I got that. I got to set up the monitor next. I got a coffee table to put together. And I have to put up the PC. That's the last couple things. I got a couple other things coming. It's not here. And like I said, I got a couple things I got to design. Other than that, everything else is here. Can't forget this cord. Make sure I got everything under. Oh, I'm going to catch y'all on the next video.